Morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Today, we are going to talk about a beautiful bond, the bond between the brother and sister. It's not only a love and the bond which you find between brother and sister, you have a lovely bond between sister and sister also. When the two sisters are there, or brother and sister, mother and child, papa and child, mother and father, okay, uncle and aunt with the aunt, nephew, niece, it is up to us children, isn't it? If you give love, you will get love, isn't it? If you give respect, you will get respect. जीवन में और कुछ भी नहीं है. मनी इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट. यू नो, आपने कितना आशीर्वाद कमाया है, आपने सबका कितना प्यार पाया है, दैट इज़ गोइंग टू बी, इट शुड बी इन क्रोज, दैट विल बी काउंटेड, not your money. Please remember, behind us the people should say that yes, he was or she was a very good human being, a noble soul. आपको मालूम है सोल का मतलब क्या होता है? एक पवित्र आत्मा. हमारे शरीर के अंदर में सोल है, आत्मा है, वो बहुत पवित्र ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर के जैसे होना चाहिए, जिसमें ना कोई जलन हो, ना ईर्ष्या हो, किसी से ना कोई द्वेष हो, ना भाव हो, प्यारा सा एक मन हो, प्यारा सा हृदय हो, wherein you have a love for everybody. May what religion you belong to. This is called humanity, children. And yes, the best friend in your life which you can make is your beautiful, wonderful book. Book can be your best friend. You will never feel alone. आप जहाँ आपको बोर हो रहा है, you take a book, quietly sit in one place and read. See how the time passes. And moreover, you get knowledge. You improve your language. इससे वंडरफुल चीज़ और क्या हो सकती है? सो लेट अस विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम आई वुड लाइक टू स्टार्ट ऑफ बेटा. टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डील विद द पोएम दैट इज ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर चिल्ड्रन. Now, here in this poem, brother and sister, they have given the love between the brother and sister, and they have given the importance of the book also. You know, book is like a magic door that can open up the world of mystery and adventure. Okay, children. So the book is a very important role in our life. Look, children, that everyone does not imagine the same thing. Therefore, one book can produce many different experiences. Okay, so let us begin with the poem Brother and Sister. Okay, yes, look at this. The love between the brother and sister, है ना, that can never be forgotten, है ना. Look at this, the first one, tying Rakhi. Oh my, sister is reading this book for brother. Here, both of them doing masti over here. Such a lovely relationship. है ना? Yes. Once again, see? Here it is. दिस इज़ वॉट द फन. ये बचपन ही तो है बेटा, जहाँ लड़ाई झगड़ा होता है. और ये लड़ाई झगड़ा ऐसे नहीं होता, इसमें भी प्यार रहता है ना. यू फाइट विद योर ब्रदर, यू फाइट विद योर सिस्टर. दिस इज़ द लव. नो मैन, दिस इज़ द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ द बुक दे हैव गिवन. नो मैन कैन बी कॉल्ड फ्रेंडलेस. आप किसी को फ्रेंडलेस नहीं बोल सकते हैं. हु हैज़ अ गॉड, जिसके पास में प्रभु है. प्रभु का तो वास हमारे अंदर में ही है, कहीं नहीं जाना है हमको. अहम ब्रह्मास्मि, साक्षात ब्रह्म इज रिसाइड्स इन अस. ओके, हु हैज़ अ गॉड एंड द कंपेनियनशिप ऑफ अ गुड बुक. जिसको बुक्स बहुत पसंद है, जिसका बुक प्यारा फ्रेंड है, प्रभु जिसके साथ है, उसको किसकी कमी है? कुछ भी कमी नहीं है. वंस यू हैव अ नॉलेज, you can live your life foolish will fullest sorry fullest to your expectation. You can live your life. Okay, whatever desire you have, you can fulfill anything, but don't have a materialistic desire beta. ये सामान वो सामान वो सामान ज़्यादा नहीं करना. मटेरियलिस्टिक डिज़ायर, नो नो नो. रिलेशनशिप को ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देना है. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. ठीक है बेटा, रिलेशन इज़ मोर इम्पॉर्टेंट. give them importance, give them your love, give your helping hand. दोबारा ये नहीं मिलने वाला है. ये पेंडेमिक बहुत ही युगों के बाद आया है. मैनी ईयर्स आफ्टर वी आर गेटिंग दिस. ये दोबारा नहीं मिलने वाला. वंस द स्कूल स्टार्ट, गॉन. आप जितना टाइम अपने मम्मा पापा के पास में आप बिता रहे हो ना, यू विल नेवर गेट बैक बेटा, नेवर. सो ये टाइम मोमेंट को बहुत प्यारे से जियो आप. ओके. हाँ, okay, now let us begin now. It's a poem of about a brother and sister and they go to the bazaar to buy a gift. Now let us see now, okay? I'll read, ठीक है? Okay. They walked, they walked along to the bazaar to find and buy a little toy. एक छोटा सा toy लेने गए. She spied a pretty silver star. Yes, spied means to see. Means that girl went with his brother to the bazaar to buy a little toy. And she spied means to saw, to see. She saw, who? That girl, a pretty silver star. He wanted something for a boy, but the brother wanted something for the boy. And she girl pointed out a little star. Star, she cried, her eyes open wide. No, tractor, said he in a rage. Rage means anger. But the brother said, no, 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 tractor. Okay, that's not very nice, she replied. She said, nahi, nahi, wo nahi theek hai. Then they growled like lions in a cage and both of them got angry and they started grumbling. Okay. Now she glared at him. Glared at it means to stare. Okay. ऐसा घूर के देखना. She glared at him. Okay. Let me put it down 1 minute. She glared at him, a cold, hard look. She stared at her brother, but it made him grumble some more. The moment she stared at him with anger, he again grumbled more. है ना? Just then she saw a splendid book. Splendid means brilliant. A beautiful book उसने देखा. In front of them, right by the door. She saw a wonderful book over there. It's quite perfect. She cried out loud. बोली हाँ हाँ, this is perfect now. So let's buy it for you and me. चलो, both of us will buy this. That's when her brother laughed and bowed. So the brother also smiled because he was also very happy with the book. He said, okay. They bought it and went home for tea. They went back home and they had a tea together. And of course, let me tell you that this poem is written by Nicholas Hosberg. Okay, before this also, we have read a poem written by Nicholas Hosberg, children. Now, let me tell you that at the bazaar, what had happened? Both the brother and sister wanted a toy, and the girl sees a star. Okay, the boy wanted a tractor. The boy gets angry, and now both are angry because now after this situation, suddenly the girl spots a book. She sees a book, and the book, she said, "Oh, it's a perfect for both of us." They go back happy. The brother also says, "Okay, I agree with this. Now we'll buy it." Okay. So, children, this is what happened. Just now whatever I said. Let me put it down a little bit. Now, this at the bazaar, what had happened? Number one, brother and sister want a toy. The girl sees a star, but the boy wanted a tractor. The boy gets angry. Both are angry. The girl spots a book. So, book is a perfect for both. Of course, book is very important. That is what the poem wants to tell you. They go back home happily. Okay. Yes, the book suits all ages, चाहे छोटे हो चाहे बड़े हो. The book suits all the ages and are the best gift that can be given to anyone who care for. Isn't it, children? The book is a best friend. Always remember. So please make friendship with your book. Make your mini library and read the books and make yourself rich, rich and rich. That's all for today. God bless you. Take care. Namaste, children. All the all the best wishes to you.